If Pixlr is failing to export your image, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if your project is large, your browser is blocking the download, or the export format is causing an error. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to duplicate the project, reduce the canvas size, change the export settings, rename the file properly, check browser permissions, and even switch browsers if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, start by duplicating the project. Sometimes a pixel export issue is related to a glitch in the current project file, so creating a duplicate can help you work from a fresh copy. Go to the home dashboard in Pixlr and look for the project thumbnail that is giving you trouble. Click the three dots on that thumbnail, then choose Duplicate. Once the copy is created, open the duplicate project and try exporting from there instead of the original. This alone can sometimes solve the issue right away. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to try is reducing the canvas size. Larger images or oversized canvas dimensions can sometimes make exporting more difficult, especially if your browser is low on memory. To do this, click Image at the top of the editor, then select Image Size. From there, reduce the width and height slightly. You do not need to make it drastically smaller. Even a modest reduction can help stabilize the export process and make the file easier for Pixlr to handle. After adjusting the size, save your work and test the export again. Now let's change the export format. In some cases, Pixlr has trouble exporting to a specific format, especially PNG if the file is large or contains a lot of detail. Click Export, then choose JPEG instead of PNG or any other format that may be causing the issue. JPEG is often more browser-friendly and can export more reliably. If needed, lower the quality a little as well. A slightly reduced quality setting can make the file smaller and easier to export without errors. This is a great fix if your project is heavy or contains multiple layers and effects. Next, check the file name. Believe it or not, unusual characters in the file name can sometimes interfere with exporting or downloading. If your file name includes symbols, special characters, or extra formatting, remove them and try a simple file name instead. Use plain text only, like a basic project name with no unusual punctuation. This small step can prevent hidden download problems and make the export process smoother. After that, check your browser download permissions. Sometimes the issue is not Pixlr itself, but the browser blocking the file from downloading. Look in your browser's download section and see if the export was blocked or flagged. If it was, allow downloads for Pixlr and try exporting again. You may also want to make sure pop-ups or automatic downloads are not being restricted because those settings can interfere with image exports as well. If you've tried all of that and Pixlr still won't export the image, the last step is to switch browsers. Open Pixlr in another supported browser and load the project again. Sometimes one browser has a temporary issue, extension conflict, or cache problem that prevents the export from working properly. Testing in a different browser is one of the fastest ways to confirm whether the issue is browser related. Once the project loads, try exporting one more time and see if it works there. So to quickly recap, if Pixlr failed to export your image, duplicate the project, reduce the canvas size, switch the export format to JPEG, simplify the file name, check your browser download permissions, and try another browser if needed. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem and get your image exported successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.